To add a newsletter in an email or your website, you have several options in UnitWise. If you want the newsletter to be added to a page directly so that it's viewed on a page without selecting a link, you will need to add it as an image. This would be a JPEG file. If you want to have a Word document, PDF, Excel, or PowerPoint file, it will need to be linked and is not able to be viewed on a page directly. To add these files, the first step you should make is add them to your resource library. For example, I have a copy of the recent UnitWise newsletter saved as a PDF and as a JPEG. I will upload the JPEG file to the image library within the UnitWise resource library. Likewise, I will upload the PDF to the UnitWise document library. Now to post these files to your website, you can follow the following steps. For the JPEG file, find a spot on your website and then add the file as an image by selecting the image icon. Then click Browse Server and then select the JPEG file that you just uploaded. The ideal width for an image is 500 pixels, so I'll change this from 586 to 500. And as you'll see, the height was automatically updated so that the proportions will be accurate. And now I'll click OK. Now to add the PDF, all you need to do is add some text, such as July newsletter. You can select to center it, you can change the font, and make it bold if you'd like. And to actually post it, highlight the words, and then select the link button. Then click Browse Server, and then select the PDF document to link it to, and then click OK. You can click Update Content to save your work, and to view it on your live site, you can click on Links, and then go to My Website in the drop-down menu. As you can see on here, the image file was embedded directly onto the page, and the PDF was linked to this text that says July Newsletter. Now if you click on July Newsletter, then the PDF of the document will open up on your computer. You can follow the same process to add this to an email.